Hola YouTube.
こんにちは。
Today we're here at Estes Park in Colorado.
Estes Park。ここは、デンバーからもう90分ぐらい、1時間半ぐらい車で走ってきました。標高ももっと高くて寒い。
We came here for a picnic with some friends at Estes Park, and actually it's getting cold, and it was very windy that drive over there. It was 1 hour and 30 minutes from Denver, Colorado. And please join us on this trip. Lots of baby squirrels over here.
行きましょう。
They're expecting us to give them some food, maybe, but we don't have any. How you doing, buddy? Hey, how you doing? All right. And then Mimi, look at that bird. Wow,
ブルー。
beautiful.
So beautiful. What's up, buddy?
Lots of baby squirrels. Hola, ¿cómo estás, amigo? Hola, ¿cómo estás? They're expecting us to give them some food, but we don't have any, unfortunately. Okay, let's go.
着きました。今日の、目的地。パインヘブンにかけてパインハベンリゾートです。
And then guess what, Mimi? Come over here. They have a cute bear. They have a very cute bear over there, Mimi.
What's up?
So we're just waiting.
My
Check-in is at 3 p.m. So beautiful.
What do you think? How cold? How degree?
Right now we're going at
50 degree.
And
Cold.
Denver is 75 degrees. National Park, of course, it's gonna be.
I can dunk it.
And they have a very nice playground for kids, which Mimi's taking advantage of. But it's just incredible being here. And I got my Hawaiian shirt, Mimi, and then my Japanese jacket. Gives me extra comfort and keeps me safe.
Okay, okay.
So we're just waiting. Just waiting. But it's just incredible being here.
Very nice.
So we're here at the cabins. Mimi, how is it? How you feel?
Perfect. Very nice.
Very beautiful. They have all these cabins. They have like 12, 14 cabins. And they told us that there are bears in the area, so we better watch out. And God, it's just beautiful here.
I hope no bear.
Mimi says hopes no bear, but I hope to get to see a bear. There goes little Mimi. Okay, and now we are getting ready to have a cookout. We have some steak, corn, potatoes, asparagus, and then just look at this view. Mira nomás las montañas, the mountains, the cabin. It's impressive being here. This is like I said, we're like 2 miles from Rocky Mountain National Park. This is called Estes Park. And then the grill's included. They have a sit-down area up here, and they also have a jacuzzi. 24/7 jacuzzi. They have these nice, very cute sit-down areas. Look at that. Just relaxing and incredible. I'm making the steak right now and the food.
What are you cooking now?
And then I'm putting some butter.
Okay.
Look at this with me. Get this.
Fire.
Ahí está. The steak. Poquito butter. Ahí está, Mimi. Look at that.
Very thick steak.
Yeah, Mimi. Y luego, like I said, there might be a bear in here. If the bear comes down, it's gonna be a fight. Because I'm not giving up this steak.
My husband cooking with nature.
How about some Japanese in there?
What do you mean?
I mean, like, say some Japanese. What's up? Like,
旦那さんが自然の中で料理してます。旦那さん、私たちはテキサスのエルパソっていうところにも家があって、そこにこういうバーベキューグリルがあるんですけど、旦那さんは一切このバーベキュー、エルパソの家でバーベキューするときは触らせてくれません。このバーベキューグリルは男のものだと言って、私には一切触らせてくれません。ね、アントニオ。
and like Mimi said, these steaks, Paso I cook, the grill's mine. Even Mimi said, chef, the grill's mine.
Yeah.
And these steaks are actually very thick.
Good.
See?
How?
So, just steak and pepper, that's all you need.
Yeah, simple. Simple is the best.
Steak and pepper. Ahí está, el steak, muy rico. What do you guys think about my jacket
Japanese.
and my Hawaiian shirt? I got it at Bueno. Tell people I got a Bueno station.
Tiger and cherry blossom.
Very beautiful, right? So yeah, thank you. And we're gonna get these two. We're gonna get this meal. Like I said, if a bear comes down, I got the four. I got the military.
We're gonna invite a
training.
bear.
Yeah,
Come on,
yeah.
bear.
Well, hopefully a bear don't eat me, but yeah. Okay, and then now we're walking to the main office. Someone needs the USB charging port for their
Outlet.
cell phone. Look at this.
Very
Look at this
cute.
view. Look at that. Very beautiful. Amazing. How do you like it? We destroyed the steak. Sorry, we didn't put any pictures. This is about the steak.
We just shooting the cooking. When Antonio cooking the steak, we already destroyed it.
Yeah,
Tastes
right?
so good.
Arigato. And then we're just having fun with friends. But let us show you the campground. The campground is beautiful. You see that creek over there? Right now, it's cool to go for a swim. But during the summer, oh wow, what is that guy doing over there?
Wow, fire.
We can do the fire here. That's peace, right? Amy?
So peaceful.
Wow, we made out of rock.
Wow. Let me see. Wow. Look. Hi.
What do you think those chains are for? Maybe when they hunt deer, right? Maybe
Yeah.
they hang it in there and then they clean it up. This is the main of so cute. Very beautiful.
They close maybe. No open sign. They close.
Hey, by the way, beware of chipmunk. Okay, well let's go. Let's go back up. So beautiful. Y estamos aquí en la sala.
What's in heaven?
El agua bien calientita. Bien calientita. Salud. All right, we're building the fire. Mimi, how is it? We're out of the hot tub and we want to warm up, so we're building a good fire. By the way, Mimi, who built the fire?
You.
I did. Mimi she's just chilling. But look at that, so dark, so beautiful. You cannot see anything, but there's a big, the big mountain here. And they told us just to be careful for bears, but we'll be all right. We'll be all right. We got the fire going, and we're ready to tell some ghost stories. Are you ready for some ghost stories or no?
Yes, we ready.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell some ghost stories, guys. Wow, this place is just beautiful. Amazing. All right, time to look for some más leña, more wood.
ミリタリーにいる頃、火の起こし方を学んだそうです。Antonio, you did it?
I got it.
How long
Easy.
did you take?
Took me less than a minute. I don't wanna be, like, oh, I'm too good, but it took me less than a minute.
Yeah,
Military training right here.
very nice.
So let's enjoy the fire. Let's tell some ghost stories.
Yeah.
Spooky. We're about to go to sleep. Good night. Buenas noches.